Hello XRP community, I'm Leo, and today, November 26th, 2025, XRP's at 212, down 2% after yesterday's 7% surge to 225 on ETF hype. But here's the shocker pulling from today's X buzz. Insiders are whispering about a massive institutional FOMO wave, with Wisdom Tree filing for yet another XRP ETF, right as Ripple's tokenized fund hits record inflows. This isn't a crash. It's the final shakeout before liftoff to $3 by year end. If you're selling now, you're missing the real reason everything's dropping. A deliberate liquidity hunt to scoop up cheap tokens before the explosion. Stick around. I'll break it down with fresh X posts, data, and predictions that could change your portfolio. This is insider alpha you won't find elsewhere. Let's dive straight in. XRP is holding 220, support like steel, RSI at 48, curling up from oversold, with volume steady at 3.8 billion. Yesterday's ETF cluster, Franklin's XRPZ, Grayscale's GXRP, drove $164 million inflows, but today's $39 million outflows. Textbook correction after a 200% monthly run. Think of it as a coiled spring, compress, then release. On the 4-hour chart, we're in wave C of an ABC pullback, per analyst, a Defend Docs fresh thread. XRP has increased more than 200% in weeks. C-wave critical at 129, but we're way past that in this cycle. Next target 188? Nah, adjust for 2025, $3.50. He notes low volume nodes letting price wick down fast, but no breakdown. Whale accumulation? Up 15% on-chain, CEX balances at multi-year lows. No dump pressure. Pulling live from X right now. RGVZ. Humphreys just dropped a video bomb at 1443 likes. Insane XRP rumor swirling that could create parabolic surge. Reshape altcoin market. Replies exploding with BlackRock next. And to 10. That's the FOMO fuel. Communities debating ETF filings, like Wisdom Trees today, pushing XRP up 5% intraday before this dip. But wait, what if this drop ties to Asigra Crypto's Fib channel update? XRP at Fib 0.236, aligning at 2, break past for double digits at 0.5. He charts 13 to 27 targets, with XRP BTC breaking 0.007 for structural confirmation. Shocking stat, if BTC hits 120k, that's $13 XRP minimum. Teaser, this changes everything if we close above $2.25 today. Stick with me for the myth bust. Alternating facts. Bitcoin's at 88k, neutral, but XRP's decoupled positively, dominance at 4.2%, up 0.3%, Ethereum's flat at 2,940, total cap down 1%. Analogy, XRP is the tortoise in a hare market, pacing for the win. A Crypto Insights morning post nails it. XRP holding key support below retracement. RSI coiling above 50, bullish if BTC pushes up. 260 likes, replies hyped on ST decision rumors. Volume profile? Low volume areas above 230 mean minimal resistance. Price velocity spikes there. What if scenario? December rate cut, 85% odds. Unleashes 1.3T liquidity. XRP leads alts with plus 4.54% YTD, like CryptoStar OG, charted. XRP surged plus 220%. $10 in reach. FOMO? Real. Ichet Steengraber warns. Multi-billions inflows. Panic buying public supply like a tsunami. Mini cliffhanger. Ever wonder why bears scream downtrend dominant? The block bulls take. XRP swings for $2.07 before sub $0.50, but bounces back champion. Harsh. But 203 likes show the debate. Replies counter with, no way. ETFs change game. OB REC echoes. Buying below $2, no longer option by end 2024. Baseline $3 by bull run peak. Community spirit firing. XRP rewarding holders. Fresh alert. Crypto Bilbio Woo Zero's fractal. 2017 versus 2024. XRP settled after resistance break. Big green candle late November. Video math, 5T cap for 88 XRP. Insane? History says no. Now, countering myths head on. If you're doubting like most, whispering correction to $1.70, let's fix that pain. Myth 1. Outflows kill momentum. Fact. Day 2. ETF chop normal. Osprey's XRPR at 100 meters AUM. Canary's liquidity strongest yet. Wordmail Senecal's thread. XRP 163% monthly growth. Faces 10% correction, but resilience amid fluctuations. Straight news. Tokenized fund launch closed strongest weekly candle since 2021. Your doubt? Buy signal. Myth 2. No big players stays sub-5 low. Edis Orion Camden 5 type takes ignore. Wisdom Tree filing today, per Think Once for Self. Wisdom Tree files XRP ETF after 3-year high. Inflows ramping, 50 meters daily projected. RSI divergence, price wicks low, RSI higher lows, bullish hidden. Oigra Crypto's YOLO band, close above 0.0002 XRP BTC for macro range, 14 plus at 130k BTC. Pain addressed, this dips your stack opportunity. Myth 3. BTC leads, XRP follows down. Frekyoji counters, buy Ether ETH ETF, but XRP for alts portfolio, 2-3x 2025. Sylvain Wathier fires back on low predictions. With SEC dismiss, ETF, ISO, pass 4-5 easy. Rising excitement, rhetorical cue. What if Clarity Act December 9th triggers adoption like RLUSD MasterCard? A's Captain Mallard. XRP to $1,000 via tokenized banking scarcity. Bold, but trillions MC math checks. Climactic reveal. The real reason dropping? Exchange liquidity hunt. Thin order books wick to grab stops at 218 per Asigra Cryptos LVNs. But order dark defender. Expected correction. Initial target 188. Update 3R50 post C. Prediction. Reclaim 2R30. Weekend 2R50 if BTC 88.5k. ATH 4 plus US Q1 2026 on filings. Greg's $13 aligned. This shakeout set up for 25% surge. XRP Army recap wins. ETF ecosystem exploding. Multi-issuer live. Billions inflows queued. Technicals compression intact. Whales defending. X-Buzz viral. Z Humphreys' rumor to IGRA Crypto's fibs. Community unbreakable. Drops the entry before 3-digit 2026. Uplifting close. You're the XRPL vanguard. Adoptions here. ETF scaling. Feel that spirit? Unstoppable. If this blew your mind, smash like for the algorithm. Comment your 2026 target, $5, $10, 100. Subscribe for daily alpha. Share with the crew. Let's moon XRP together. Not financial advice. DYOR. Leo out. Stay strong.